I know every day people are going to say, yo, them are say, yo, every day this man come and talk about cartel. But you see, Kartel are the teacher and people have seen where people are learning. People are taking notes. You see me? Vice Kartel are doing things and people are taking notes. I talk from Alkaline. I talk from like Ioctane. All of these artists.
So what? Because Ioctane go buy a house, you know?
Bro, all right. Let me ask you one question. How long now Ioctane live in the US?
Well, I don't really know.
Ioctane live in the US.
But I know same day for a while though.
All right. Why all of a sudden you go buy a house in Miami and you go give house tour? Hi, my neighbors! Eh?
Why?
Why?
Why? Let me tell you why. I'm more a listener, listen key.
Yeah.
You see, nothing happened before the time in a life.
And you see, time is because the teacher come and show them say it can be done.
Listen to what I'm saying. Nothing happened before the time in a life. It is just Ioctane time.
Yeah.
If you buy him house, come on social media and say, neighbors, I just film time.
Dog, your teacher teach and people are take notes.
And people are take notes.